Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I know on my last video I said that the next video I do about the CT125 would be me riding it, but got something special that's going to show up today, and I wanted to catch it on video. So stay tuned. We'll watch it come into the property together and unbox it. So I'll get y'all later. Hey, the truck's coming down the driveway now. Let's go see what he's got, okay? Okay, here we go. Should be my big bore kit. At least that's what the wife said it was gonna be. You ready for this? It's not a big bore kit. It's a bunch of flowers. Oops. That's it? 2 boxes or just one?
One.
One box?
Okay.
$3,011.
Okay. Thank you.
Cap. Thank you. All right. Now, for all you naysayers out there, what's that say on it right there? Honda, genuine parts. Yeah, that, folks, cost me a whopping $97 for the kit. And that's my big bore kit. So now I'm gonna take my knife, open it up. We're gonna see what all it looks like, okay? So, hang on. Piston, gasket, head gasket and base gasket, cylinder with the piston and rings fitted in it. That felt awful light when I picked it up. Inside of it should be rings, wrist pin and C-clips. Piston is sitting in the cylinder. All right, now the bad thing about this, I'm not gonna be able to do anything with it until Monday, Tuesday, because my wife is out of town. I need my Honda CT125 for transportation around here. To go do stuff. If I've got to do anything, I need it. The only other vehicle I've got to drive is my Tata, and I only use that when I have to go into Chiang Mai. So it looks like Tuesday I'll be taking all this stuff to my mechanic and having him install it, tune everything, set everything up. Should be nice and crisp, and starting next week we're going to start seeing just exactly what this is going to do with a big bore kit on it. So thanks for tuning in, folks. This is it for this video. I'm going to take it easy the rest of the day. It's a short video, but talk to y'all later.